So welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit on the notification button, the great phone repairs. So please subscribe. Today I'm going to be showing you on how to fix an LCD, that is a screen that the flex was damaged. This mobile phone fell on the floor, and as you can see, the screen part where you can solder it is no longer there. It was damaged, so there's an alternative way you can fix it without getting a new screen. This is a new screen. Look at the parts where you can solder it is still there, but this one is no longer there, so you need to scratch out the line, the connection line, to see if you can get a shiny surface. Get a razor blade, a sharp one, very sharp, to scratch it bit by bit. Be careful, slow. As you can see, we are getting the line where you can solder it, so gradually, so turn the other side, do the same procedure, the same process gradually. After getting those lines, the next thing, you have to solder the screen. Add some liquid lead. This is liquid lead, and also your paste to make your work neat. Then turn the other side and do the same process. Solder very well properly. Then get your alcohol and clean the LCD terminals very well. Also, you need to check very well if there's any part that is not well soldered. The next step is to clean out those parts of the LCD that was stuck on the soldered part of the screen, that is the PCB board. You need to clean it very well in order to make a neat soldering. After that is done, the next step is to solder back your LCD. Apply your paste, then you have to solder now. Carefully solder it. So now we need to test it if it's working, and you can see it's working perfectly. So thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit on the notification bell to get notified when the next video drop. Thank you.